In a small, dusty village in Malawi, Africa, a boy named William Kamkwamba grew up surrounded by poverty and drought, yet filled with curiosity stronger than the hunger that stalked his home. Born into a family of farmers, William spent his childhood fixing broken radios, fascinated by the hidden power inside wires and metal scraps. Life turned darker in 2001 when Malawi faced a brutal famine that emptied fields, stomachs, and hope itself. At just 14, William was forced to leave school because his family could no longer pay the fees. But his thirst for knowledge didn't fade. Instead, he wandered daily to a tiny village library, thumbing through battered books until one changed everything. A science textbook titled Using Energy, whose simple sketch of a windmill sparked an idea that would rewrite his destiny. Determined to help his family and save the dying crops, William dreamed of building a windmill that could pump water to their fields. With no money, no guidance, and no real tools, he scavenged tirelessly through junkyards and trash heaps, gathering discarded bicycle parts, old plastic, rusted blades, and worn-out tractor fans. Villagers watched, shaking their heads, and mocked him, calling him Misala, the crazy one, for daring to believe a school dropout could summon power from the wind. But William worked quietly, every day under the harsh African sun, driven not by pride, but by the stubborn hope that his idea might bring rain to his family's dry land. Piece by piece, bolt by bolt, through endless trial and error, he built his first windmill, a shaky, creaky tower of hope that finally spun its blades and powered a small light bulb inside his mud brick home. That faint, flickering bulb glowed brighter than any lantern, because it proved that even the poorest boy with the wildest idea could change something real. With time and courage, he built a second, stronger windmill that pumped precious water from the ground, breathing life into dying crops and turning dust into green. The boy once ridiculed became the pride of his village, his windmill standing as a wooden monument to faith and ingenuity. News of his windmill spread beyond the village, reaching journalists, scientists, and even the world stage, earning him a scholarship, college education, and the chance to share his story far beyond Malawi's borders. William Kamkwamba later wrote a memoir, The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, and inspired millions, reminding the world that sometimes the greatest change comes not from power, wealth, or privilege, but from a single stubborn heart that refuses to stop trying. Through famine, laughter, and failure, a boy who had nothing built something that saved his family and lit up the darkness. William's windmill was more than metal and wood. It was a testament that even when the world offers nothing, human spirit can still build hope from scraps, and courage can turn the impossible into reality.